Okay, some problem solving and reasoning questions out of 2D. Question 7D and question E. For the following, write an equation and solve it for the unknown value. Use x as the unknown value. Think of a number. So the number I'm thinking of is x. Halve it, so I divide it by 2. Then you subtract 4 from that. The result equals 10. So the result is my equal sign. So I've got x divided by 2 minus 4 equals 10. And if I'm going to solve that, I need to think the x was divided by 2 first, then 4 was subtracted. So I'm going to plus 4 to both sides. And that's going to give me x on 2 equals 14. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. X equals 28. So 28 was the number that I was thinking of. 28 halved gives 14, subtract 4 gives 10, exactly what is expected. In part E, 4 less than 3 times a certain number is 20. This is an example where in English we say things backwards. So we start really here, 3 times a number, so 3x, and we subtract 4 from it because I've got 4 less than, but it's this that I'm taking the 4 away from. And the number is 20. So there's my equation. I'm going to plus 4 to both sides first, which will give me 3x equals 24. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 3, which leaves x, my certain number, to be 8. So 3 times a certain number is 24. 3 eighths are 24. 4 less than that is 20, so that's correct. Question number 9. My pay is increased by $200 per week. So my new pay is my old pay plus $200. Half of my pay now goes to pay the rent. So my new pay divided by 2 pays the rent. And plus $100 buys groceries. And that leaves me with $450. So my new pay minus all of that will equal $450. My new pay minus what I spend will leave me $450. So I've got x plus 200, my old pay plus 200, minus x plus 200 on 2 plus 100 equals 450. My new pay minus what I pay on rent and what I pay on groceries. So that's going to be minusing x on 2. That's 100. So minus 100. And that's minus 100 equals 450. X minus x on 2 is x on 2. 100 minus 200 plus 200 cancel themselves, equals 450. Multiply both sides by 2. I have x equaling $900. So my original weekly pay was $900.